Thank you again for watching our videos here at Specialty Gear Drives. We just now finished this gearbox rebuild for our customer out in Jamaica. What we did with this gearbox is we manufactured a gear in-house. We have also grinded the pinion to mesh with the gear perfectly. We have also rebuilt the bearing surfaces and the shaft seal surfaces with tungsten carbide to machine back down with the OEM spec to install that new bearing and new seal. That way it has a nice, beautiful, tight fit with those seals. We have also set it the correct preload, the correct float. We have also manufactured new covers because we had two covers that were damaged. They were actually cracked. So we gone ahead and manufactured the new covers. They came out beautiful. And not only that, we have also added a new breather. We have also varnished the inside of the gearbox for high heat epoxy. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.